Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story camera is not working in iPhone and Android users. Lot of Instagram users has been reporting to when they open the Instagram story and capture the photos that times story camera is not working. For the Instagram users, question is what to do for the fixing this issue on iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. Instagram users, when they open the Instagrams, then tap on the story sections. In the story sections, now open the camera for the capturing any story. But in the Instagram story camera is not working, black screen issue on the iPhone and Android users. Now users question is what to do. In this tutorial, I give you some solutions for fixing this issue. Now first one solution is download install the old versions of the Instagrams. Now first of all, open the Safari and Chrome browsers. In my case, I will open the Chrome browsers. Open the browsers. You can see also this website link I give you on my description box. So guys, make sure copy and paste. Open the website. After you can see also scroll down and 21 February 2022 version is stable. Now please make sure tap on it and download install these versions of the Instagram on the iPhone and Android users. Download install after simply login your account, and this way too you can easily fix your problems. Now the second solution is most important for the Instagram users. Now first of all, find out the Instagram applications and press and hold. After you can see also second last option is app information. In the app informations, first option is storage uses. Now please make sure tap on it. Now wait for the sometimes, then clear cache and clear data options available. Now please make sure tap on and this way too you can easily clear data and clear cache of the Instagrams. Now I will show you third one solutions for fixing this issue. Sometimes lot of Instagram users use the old versions of the Instagram that time, so its camera is not working. Now first of all, open the App Store in the iPhone and Play Store in the Android devices, and top corner search bar, in search bar search Instagram application. If you any latest versions of the Instagram is available, now please make sure download install on your iPhone and Android device. These three solutions apply on the Instagrams in your iPhone and Android devices. This way too you can easily fix your problems. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. Thank you so much.